Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. This talisman for love marriage, for agree to girlfriend, agree to boyfriend, agree to husband, agree to wife, for marriage. Ex-back girlfriend, ex-back boyfriend, ex-back girl, ex-back lover. Most effective love talisman in the world. It is old centuries love talisman. It is a dangerous spell for love. It is a fire talisman. Most effective love talisman. The girl is gone by cheating you. The boy is gone by cheating you. The husband is gone by cheating you. The wife is gone by cheating you. The girl is leave you forever. The husband is leave you forever. The wife is leave you forever. The girl is destroy your feeling, destroy your heart, and destroy your money. The girl you have been eating money. The boy have been eating money. The girl have blocked you. The unconscious girl, back a girl 7 ocean, back a husband 7 ocean, back a wife 7 ocean, back a lover 7 ocean. Most effective love talisman in the world. I do black magic on this bone. I do black magic on this bone. Affect the whole world quickly. People from the every country of the world make a magical magic to me. Many people do this procedure with me. It has an immediate effect the whole world quickly. If you want to do this work me, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number +93+923305919192. Please visit my website www.talismiamliat.com, and this talisman order me FIVERR ID link in description. You can order me this talisman. Your work will done 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, inshallah. I am black magic astrologist and herbal remedy spellcaster. With my work, with my work, you are 100% guaranteed and safe with my spell. I cast the make your spouse come back in 48 hours followings. I am spiritual specialist. I help with all kinds of spiritual problems. So you can contact me on my WhatsApp number for any spiritual problems. For example, ex-back girlfriend, ex-back boyfriend, ex-back husband, ex-back wife, love spell, money spell, marriage spell, court spell, good luck spell, ex-back spell, separation spell, divorce spell, lottery spell, cost out course spell, promotion spell, protection spell, voodoo spell. Most effective spell in the world. Most. So you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. This talisman is very powerful spell in the world. How to make a talisman? Make it boxes and write in the numbers in separate boxes. How to use it, this talisman? For example, you are a boy, agree to girlfriend. You are a husband, agree to wife. Your name Hub, your name, your mother name Allahub, agree to lover. Lover name, his lover mother name. This talisman is your complete. How to use it, this talisman? Make it talisman with names, tie it around your neck. Second, make a talisman under the weight, and third, make a talisman bury in the grave, and fourth, make a talisman tie it to a tree. Most effective love talisman in the world. Please share my video on your friends, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.